Introducing the POLYWOOD Nautical Chaise, model NAC2280, a masterpiece of outdoor relaxation. Crafted from genuine Polywood lumber, this chaise combines the timeless elegance of wood with the resilience of high-density polyethylene, ensuring it withstands the harshest elements without cracking, fading, or rotting. Its contoured design offers unparalleled comfort, while the adjustable backrest provides multiple reclining positions to suit your lounging preference. The chaise folds flat for effortless storage and features a convenient handle in the headrest for easy mobility. Available in a variety of fade-resistant colors, it seamlessly complements any outdoor decor. Backed by a 20-year residential warranty, the POLYWOOD Nautical Chaise is not just a piece of furniture, it's an investment in enduring quality and style for your outdoor sanctuary.